Is it any wonder that mankind stands open-mouthed before the bartender, considering the mysteries and marvels of an art that borders on magic? Greetings and salutations, you lovely germs, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I got another new, or quite a few new, cocktail books that we're going to be diving into. This one is a reprint from, what was the date on this? This one's reprinted from 1917. The Ideal Bartender by Tom Bullock. And my assistant wants to steal the show. You gotta go down, buddy. You gotta love kittens, right? I was digging through it and I was looking for something interesting that might catch my fancy. And there's one called the Horse Thief Cocktail. It's vermouth, absinthe, and Old Tom gin. I didn't realize it was kind of hard to find Old Tom gin. I didn't know if it interchanges with other. I know slow gin is kind of it's not really like a gin. And the company that I bought my slow gin from also makes Old Tom gin. This is the only one bottle I could find. So yeah, I've never tried it. I don't know if there's any difference in I don't know if there's any difference in it than regular gin. This may be a good time to try it and see. Things I read, it was a little more citrusy, so it might taste more like that Japanese gin I have. I don't know. You're too young to try alcohol, buddy. Hop down. Oh. All right, here's Old Tom gin. It smells a little sweeter. It's still got that pine straw, that juniper. It is a little sweeter. I can kind of taste it on the tip of your tongue a little bit. I don't know if it's drastic enough that you may need to buy another bottle just to try this cocktail, but I don't know if you find it. Why not add it to the collection, right? As always, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartender advice, so let's try this cocktail. 1/2 ounces of Old Tom gin, or just any old gin. 1/2 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. About 1/4 ounce of absinthe. They say 2 dashes. You probably can go a little less than 1/4. And now, my friends, is a horse thief. I can smell the absinthe from here. Yeah, I've cut back a little bit on the absinthe. It's really overpowering. Probably could bump up the Sweet Vermouth a little bit too. You know, it's funny, these vintage drinks, it's like they made them for the taste of people 100 years ago. So everything was a lot more bitter, a lot more in your face, and we drink all these sweet, sugary drinks nowadays. That's why we all look like this. But yeah, I think you can get by without having to do the Old Tom gin. And it's funny because he recommended Sir Robert Burnet gin, which I've never heard of. I've heard of Burnet vodka, and I'll have to look it up. You know, I'm from the Burnet family in Scotland, so you know, maybe maybe somebody in my family has ties to that. I don't know. Yeah, I think it could be balanced a little better. That absinthe, it's not as bad as drinking absinthe straight, so it's very muted, but you still have that kind of, I don't know how you say it. It's like it's in your mouth, you know. You just you may not want to drink too many of these. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. I mean, you know, somebody made it for me. I wouldn't kick it out of bed. I mean, put it down. But yeah, I don't know if I'll make it again, per se, unless I was going to try to balance it out a little more. But anyway, it's a horse thief cocktail. Well, Y'all know what to do. Until next time, cheers.